Stop buying the wrong greenhouse. Choose wrong, and your plants struggle, or worse, they die. So check this out. Here are the top 5 greenhouses ranked from good to best. Not all greenhouses are created equal. Size, airflow, and durability change everything. So whether you're just starting or scaling up, this list will help you choose right. Let's count it down. Starting off the list, check out this. Number 5. 6x12 Compact Greenhouse. Perfect for beginners. It's compact, easy to manage, with adjustable vents and a lockable door. Next on the list is this. Number 4. 10x12 Greenhouse with sliding doors. More space without taking over your yard. Sliding doors save space, while vents help control temperature. Moving up, check this one out. Number 3. Large walk-in greenhouse with double doors. Spacious, flexible, and easy to move around in. Perfect for organizing and working comfortably. Now this is where it gets serious. Number 2. 10x16 Extra Large Greenhouse. Stronger frame, bigger planting area, and better airflow for healthier plants. And at number 1, check out the best pick, 8x16 Walk-in Greenhouse. This is the best overall choice. With 6mm polycarbonate panels, double doors, and multiple roof vents, it creates the perfect growing environment. But here's the truth. Bigger isn't always better. The right greenhouse depends on your space, sunlight, and how much time you can manage it. Want healthier, faster growing plants? Check out the links below to find the right greenhouse for you, or reach out. We'll help you choose the perfect setup. Visit SAKSBY.com and contact us at 1-844-7175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.